Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to manage the game launcher, so how to turn it on or off. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down in order to find advanced features. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got the game launcher option, which is right now turned off, and thanks to this we can actually read the info about the launcher, so it will organize all your games all in one place and access extra features that enhance your gameplay experience. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and from now on it is activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want, just tap on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to manage game launcher in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.